welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, you are a new viewer to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel before we go. This film you are watching, look at it under by the right hand side. You will see where they write SUBSCRIBE subscribe in capital letter. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe. Press the notification bell. When you press it, it will now change into 3 bells. Press the one at the top, the one painted in white, write ALL, all there. Press it, which means as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel, you will be the number 1 to be seeing my video. Thank you. You are welcome back. Our tutorial for today is how to start, how to switch on the sharper, that is electric clipper blade machine, how to switch it on, then how to stop it, how to plug it in the electricity, how to switch it on, and how to stop it. That is our tutorial for today. For those people that have not seen barber, stylist, or proprietor, or anybody that have interest in sharpening of the clipper blade, that is engineers that have not seen this engine before, as we are doing it step by step. The tutorial is step by step, so that when you see this engine, the instrument, you can be able to do it by yourself. DIY, you can be able to do it by yourself, can be able to operate it by yourself without the help of anybody when you subscribe to my channel and you watch all my videos. This is the switch. This is the on and off switch. When you press it up like this, it is off. When you press it down, it is on. I will show you first before I'll now come back into it again. This is the wire. This is the wire. Then this is the jack plug to plug it into the electricity. Let me remove it first. Can you see it? This is the socket. Yeah, 3-pin plug. Can you see it? This is the fuse inside. You cannot remove the fuse now. The fuse is inside here. When the light is too much, it will cut off instead of spoiling the engine. Now let us plug it. Can you see? I've plugged it now. I'll put it. This switch is off. When it's pressed here, it is off. Then when we press it up, it is on. It will on the light. Can you see it now? Can you see the light? I'll switch it on now. Can you see it? So when you press it down, it is off. The light is off there. Can you see? So when you press it up like this, it is, you are putting it on. Can you see it? So after this one now, we are coming back into the switch here. This is the switch again. Have you seen the switch? So before we put it on, let us watch and look at the disc. Can you see the disc? Can you see it now? You see the disc? This is the, when we put it on, this is the disc sharpening disc that will be rotating clockwise. This is clockwise. When it comes like this is anti-clockwise. It doesn't work in this way. This is anti-clockwise, but it will move, rotate in this way, clockwise form. This is the stopper. If you want to, when we put it on, then we off it. Then we want to stop it. When we switch off the engine, this one will continue rolling, but you want it to stop immediately. You now use this stopper. And you see the way this is the stopper. You press it against the side of the sharpening disc. It will now be reducing the speed little by little until it will stop. Let us come back into the switch now. This is the switch. Can you see where they write 0? That 0 is off. When you press it down, it is on. Let us press it now. You see? So can you see it now? The machine is rotating. You see it now? You see it's very, very smooth. That is why I'm saying OttE sharper is one of the best sharpers so far in this world. Can you see it? It's one of the best sharpers. It's working like this. Can you hear the sound? Very, very cool. Yeah, very, very cool. I'm telling you sincerely, very, very cool. Can you see it? You see it working very, very cool. So we put it on like this. So if you want to stop it again, we now switch it off here. I've switched it off. But can you still see the speed now? The machine is still moving, but you want it to stop immediately. This is the stopper. Use it like this. Use it like this. You press it against the side of the sharpening disc. Can you see it? Yeah, that is how to plug. Then as you switch it off like this here, then you now come back into the socket here. You switch it off again so that everything will be free from the light. You see it? That is how to switch on the sharper. That is ClipperBlade machine, electric ClipperBlade machine. How to switch it on and how to switch it off. Then if the speed is you want the speed to come down little by little so that it will take a long time, I'll show you the stopper to use to stop it by the side of the sharpening disc. Yeah, thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Those of you that are new to my channel, please subscribe for you to be able to see all my YouTube videos. Press the notification bell for you to be seeing my new videos. At the same time, don't forget, please, when you have subscribed, go back to my old videos. Go back to my old videos. That is where you can acquire 80% knowledge. I'm telling you sincerely, that is where you can acquire 80% knowledge on the sharpening of the ClipperBlade. Yeah. Then when you now join it with new ones, that new one is 20%. You had it up with the new ones, you now make it 100%. Yeah. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. Try to be practicing from time to time. Little by little, you must have to get it. Before you think of time, you must have to become a little professional. Thank you. Another audio tutorial is still coming after this one. This one is a sharper tutorial on lesson introductory. That is episode 9. If I'm not mistaken, this is episode 9. Thank you. Be expecting another video after this one. This ClipperBlade is made by ZOE to E Trading and Engineering Company Nigeria Limited. Number 16, West Street, Okoko, Anambra, Onitsha City, Anambra State, Nigeria, West Africa, the world. Yeah, they are the one giving me this sharper free of charge that I'll be using it to update in my tutorial. God bless you. Thank you. Be expecting another tutorial after this one.